Students, this is class number 73. In this class, I am going to explain modulus and argument of a complex number. Modulus and argument of a complex number. I think already I explained what that modulus is. I am going to repeat the same thing. You take complex number z equals x plus iy. I am taking complex number z equals x plus iy. X plus iy. We represent every complex number. We represent every complex number by using ordered pair. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. I can write this as xy, x comma y, xy. From this it is so clear, every complex number in a plane represents a point, because points are represented by using ordered pairs. Points ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರು ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಸೊ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. Let us take this point somewhere here. This is the complex number. A complex number in a plane means a point. Complex number andre plane alli point annu artha padutte. Pz, or you take that pxy. What are the coordinates of z? X comma y. So now look at me, students. Yes, so this is this length. This origin is called as pole. We call that origin as pole. Distance of the complex number from the pole, length of the complex number from the pole is called modulus, and we represent that by r means length of the complex number. Length of the complex number from the origin, and it is also called as modulus. Modulus means length of the complex number, and this angle theta is called as argument or principal argument. Sometimes we used to call that also by amplitude. Argument over amplitude. This is amplitude. So y x or modulus. So modulus r is equal to, so modulus r is equal to length of the complex number. It is nothing but length of x plus iy. Length of z means length of x plus iy. It is given by root of x square plus y square. So tell me r formula, tell me expression for r. Root of rp square plus ip square, real part square plus imaginary part square, root of x square plus y square. This is how we find modulus. To find the argument, you just remember this point. For the argument, you remember these things. So put numerator nr means numerator minus directly outside. Put numerator minus directly outside, and for the denominator minus denominator minus, use pi minus, for the denominator minus, use 180 minus, use pi minus, students. Don't mistake this. Use pi minus. It is enough if you remember this general point. Otherwise, it will be risky. Otherwise, you find it so difficult. Put the numerator minus directly outside. For the denominator minus, use pi minus. This is enough to find your argument. I am going to give some examples. Look at this. For tan, you remember these numbers. For tan, remember this. So remember these things. For tan theta, you remember these things. That is 1 by root 3. 1 root 3. 1 by root 3 means 30 degree. 1 means 45 degree. Root 3 means 60 degree. Whenever it is tan, you remember these things. Whenever it is tan, you remember these things. 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. 1 by root 3 is 30, 1 means 45 degree, root 3 means 60 degree. For the argument, so put numerator minus directly outside. If there is minus, so theta is equal to, you use this formula. For the argument, you always use theta equals tan inverse minus y by x. If minus is seen in the numerator, you put it directly outside. If minus is seen in the denominator, you use pi minus. Numerator minus bandre and illi minus bandre ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Denominator minus bandre pi minus ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಇದು ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಾಕು to find argument. This point is enough. You always use theta is equal to tan inverse y by x whenever the theta is required. I am going to write some examples, students. Examples. Here are examples. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Put numerator minus directly outside and for the denominator minus, use pi minus. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. You can easily write that. Look at this. So theta is equal to tan inverse. If it is minus 1 by root 3. ಈ ತರ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ. minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. So minus 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 related to 30 degree. 30. That is 5 by 6. Because so tan pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan pi by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 3. tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ tan inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan inverse 1 by root 3. So because tan pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. This implies tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. So tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to pi by 6. tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ tan inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ tan inverse 1 by root 3 pi by 6. One more. So tan pi by 4 equals 1. That implies so tan inverse 1 equals pi by 4. Now nodi. So tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3. That implies so tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Useful concepts. You practice these things, students. You remember these things. So now So this is how we use examples. So it is minus pi by 6. I am going to give one more example, students. I am going to write one more example. I hope you understood this. Tan 30 1 by root 3. If I send tan right side, it becomes tan inverse. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to pi by 6. That's what I written there. Tan pi by 4 1, tan inverse 1 pi by 4. Tan pi by 3 root 3, tan inverse root 3 pi by 3. I write one more example. So if it is tan inverse, minus root 3 by minus 1. So right, just before I told you, put the numerator minus directly outside. So tan inverse root 3 by minus 1. Put the numerator minus directly outside. For the denominator minus, use pi minus. So minus of, for the denominator minus, use pi minus. So tan inverse root 3 by 1. Numerator minus ಅನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ minus ಗೆ pi minus ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ minus ಅನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ minus ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ minus ಗೆ pi minus ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ minus ಗೆ pi minus. Right? Use that. Now it is minus of pi minus tan inverse root 3 by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3. ಎಷ್ಟು tan inverse root 3? Root 3 related to 60 degree. Root 3 related to 60 degree. It must be pi by 3. Simplify this. 3 pi minus pi 2 pi. Minus of 3 pi LCM. 3 pi minus 1 pi. 3 pi minus 1 pi 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3. You solve. Let us see one more example. Example 1, example 2. So write example 3. You just practice, you will learn it, so there is no problem. Just you remember this point. So write one more example. So one more example. Example number 3. So write. So example number 3. So tan inverse 1 by minus root 3. So theta equals. So theta equals tan inverse 1 by. So minus root 3. I have minus in the denominator. Denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. Denominator minus ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? Pi minus. That is pi minus. So tan inverse 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Numerator minus ಅನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ denominator minus ಗೆ pi minus ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So right, theta equals pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3, pi by 6. 1 by root 3 it is related to 30. Tan ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by root 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 degree. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 45 degree. Root 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 degree. So pi minus LCM 6 pi minus pi. 6 pi minus pi by 6. Theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is the argument. Theta means argument. R means modulus. Now let us go for solving this problem. Need not to worry, students. Just by head this line. You can solve every problem easily. Let us go for solving problems, right? Look at this, students. Find the modulus and argument of the following. First question is z equals 1 plus I root 3. Z equals 1 plus I root 3. Now let's go for finding modulus and argument. Tell me x value, students. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to root 3. X plus Iy. X plus Iy. X is equal to 1, y is equal to root 3. First let us find the modulus. Modulus R. R means modulus. Mod Z. Tell me formula for that. Root of x square So r equals x square 1 square 1 plus y is root 3. Y is root 3. Y square root 3 whole square. How much is root 3 whole square? Root 3 whole square. Square will get cancelled. It is 3. 3 plus 1 4. Root 4. So tell me root 4. It is 2. Root 4 is 2. 2. We got modulus. Now let's find out amplitude or argument. Theta. So tell me theta formula. So tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y value root 3 by x value 1. So root 3 by 1 means root 3. Root 3. So tell me students, for which angle? So that root 3 comes in tan. ಯಾವ angle root 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ tan ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 degree ಗೆ. So tan pi by 3 equals root 3. Tan pi by 3 equals root 3. Tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಿಸಿ. Pi by 3 equals tan ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan inverse root 3. How much is tan inverse root 3? Pi by 3. So pi by 3. So right. We got argument. This is argument. Let us go for solving one more question. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. So right. Next question is, so z equals minus 1 minus I root 3. Z equals minus 1 minus I root 3. Let us go for that. So right. So x plus iy. Tell me x value minus 1. Y value minus root 3. Now you find out the modulus r. So root of x square plus y square minus 1 whole square plus minus root 3 whole square. Root of minus 1 whole square. How much is minus 1 whole square? Plus 1. 1. So again minus square. Minus square means plus. Root 3 whole square means 3. Square will get cancelled. Minus square plus, because minus into minus plus. Root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled, so you will get 3. So tell me that root 4. So r equals 2. Modulus is 2. Now let's find out the argument. Theta equals tan inverse y by x. Amplitude. Theta is also called as amplitude overall argument. So now, so theta equals, so tan inverse, so tell me y value. Y is minus root 3. X is minus 1. Y is minus root 3. X is minus 1. Just before I told you, numerator minus ಅನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ denominator minus के pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ. I use that logic. Use minus ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ minus tan inverse. So root 3 by minus 1. Numerator minus ಅನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Denominator minus ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. Now I am going to use pi minus. Denominator minus ಗೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? Pi minus ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So theta equals minus of, so pi minus, so tan inverse root 3 by 1. Right. Numerator minus ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ denominator minus ಗೆ pi minus ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. At a time ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Put numerator minus directly outside. For the denominator minus you use pi minus. Right. Or you write directly. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. So theta equals minus of ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Minus of, so tan inverse, So root 3 by minus 1. So minus of tan inverse root 3 by minus 1. For the denominator minus you use pi minus. So theta is equal to minus of pi minus. So tan inverse root 3 by 1. Root 3. Numerator minus directly ಆಚಾಗಿ denominator minus ಗೆ pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ. Numerator minus directly ಆಚಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. Denominator minus ಗೆ pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಚಾರ minus ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. Tan inverse root 3. 16 or 13 or 60. Theta equals minus of pi minus pi by 3. 60. LCM ಮಾಡಿ. What is LCM? 3. So 3. It is so minus of 3 pi minus pi. 3 pi minus 1 pi. 2 pi by 3. So amplitude is minus 2 pi by 3. I hope you understood. You are understanding, students. Last question is, you solve this one more question. Z equals, so Z equals minus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 9 x plus iy. You choose x and y values. In this case, x is minus root 3, y is 1. Calculate r value. R equals root of x square plus y square. So root of x means minus root 3. Minus root 3 whole square. Plus y square. 1 square. So r equals minus square plus root 3 whole square 3 plus 1 square 1. 3 plus 1 4. Root 4, it is 2. So we got modulus, amplitude. So theta equals tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse. So tell me y value. Y is 1, x is minus root 3. I told you, for the denominator minus, use pi minus. Pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So right. Pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So right, it is pi minus. So tan inverse 1 by root 3. So pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. 30 or 60? 30. Pi by 6. LCM 6 pi minus 1 pi. 6 pi minus 1 pi. It is 5 pi by 6. I hope you understood. This is about modulus and argument. We shall discuss the remaining things in the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you.